Recently, we've gone through a couple pretty busy seasons where, there's a lot of projects that we weren't necessarily anticipating. So we were able to spread our manpower out, and especially with the supervision, to be able to cover different job sites that maybe wouldn't have been able to handle. Over the past few years, we've moved from more of a regionally distributing our manpower to a national distribution pool of manpower, so to speak. Having the national pool and of resources available to maneuver across the U.S. has helped us with response time, being able to respond quicker to projects, project growth, being able to support our clients in that way. Bottom line value to a customer, we're able to respond much quicker. We're able to have a higher volume of qualified employees to take care of the work that they need. And like I said before, scope growth, things like that we can cover fairly quickly.